So the beauty of extending the functionality with plugins is that we can extend the main program without having to change it, just adapting to few rules and use a basic skeleton of a plugin, and very easily the functionality can be extended. For example, use some hooks, so when CTOP starts, some code on the plugin starts, and when CTOP ends, the finishing part of the code of the plugin ends as well. And this with many hooks, as so many plugins we have in a chain, in a list. To show this, nothing better than playing with the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a motherboard like that is cost like between $40 and $60, and can run Linux, even Windows. It's based on ARM processors. So I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show the plugin that I wrote to demonstrate on Raspberry Pi.
System is healthy.
So basically, I used a Christmas tree with LEDs on it to show how CTOP with a plugin can control those LEDs. And basically, as the CPU is low on usage and is green, the three LEDs will be green. And as the CPU gets more usage, the LEDs will change. So let's add some load to the system. So I will run several processes. Each of one will increase the CPU around 20% CPU usage. So yeah, we go to 30%. I stress a bit more. Came to 50, nice. I stress a bit more. Almost there.
The CPU is at 80%.
And so when we finish, it will clear the LEDs as part of the hooks.